Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start here. Make sure the phone has 50% charge and any reachable files are backed up, because some steps erase data. Once done, power off the Vivo Y91 and connect a USB cable to a PC with ADB/fastboot tools installed. Then press and hold volume up and power to enter recovery. You do this because recovery gives low-level access to system operations. Make sure the device shows the recovery menu before moving to the next stage, so you avoid interrupting critical steps. Now you decide between two paths. If you accept data loss, select Wipe Data/Factory, Reset in Recovery, and Confirm. This removes the screen lock by erasing user data. Alternatively, if you have USB debugging enabled previously, use ADB from the PC. Run a DB devices to confirm the phone, then a DB shell followed by the appropriate reset commands to remove lock info without the recovery UI. Either way, wait until the process reports success. Interrupting it can corrupt the system, so be patient. After the wipe or successful ADB reset, choose Reboot System Now and follow the setup flow to create a new lock. You may encounter factory reset protection asking for the Google account previously synced. Use the original credentials because FRP is a security feature. If the phone still rejects setup or becomes stuck in a loop, re-enter recovery to repeat wipe or consider visiting an authorized Vivo service center. This ensures safe unlocking without risking permanent software damage or warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.